Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of railway. Linenet is the commercial organization responsible for operating a system of transportation for trains that pull passengers or freight. Railroad, railroad line, railway system. A line of track providing a runway for wheels. Railroad, railroad track.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.